We've been tracking some light snow since early this morning. The hind edge of that now starting to move off to the east of the US 131 corridor. So a light, fresh coating of snow on some area roadways might slow you down just a little bit early this morning. But temperatures this afternoon will be back above freezing. So any of that light snow that we managed to pick up this morning is going to do a very quick disappearing act. Area of low pressure tracking eastward. In fact, we're going to see the heaviest of that light snow across areas from central to northern lower Michigan. Big Rapids about a ½ inch, and points to the north a little bit more than that. Here's a look out over downtown Holland. A little while ago, we had some pretty decent snow squalls coming together. You can see the pavement now mainly just wet on the roadways. Little light snow still left over in downtown Grand Rapids. And as you can see, the US 131 Ford Freeway interchange, some fresh snow on the ground there. But once again, the snow is in the process of winding down. And over the next hour or two, conditions will improve very quickly. Temperatures are in the 20s, so they're below freezing. If you are traveling around first thing this morning, keep in mind that any fresh snow will be very slippery as you head out the door to church, maybe running some errands this morning. But overall, conditions once again improve very quickly as we head through the late morning and afternoon. Temperatures to start the day combined with the winds have those wind chills or feels like readings generally holding in the single digits and teens. So some light snow this morning clears out quickly. Tomorrow's system looks to take a similar track. So a little bit of light rain could start as a wintry mix tomorrow, but most of that activity will track across the northern part of the state once again. And the middle of the week, Wednesday into Thursday, that's when we're seeing the biggest potential for some travel disruptions with the next system coming into play. And that one could have some freezing rain associated with it. Once again, as we head through the day today, lots of cloud cover out there as we head through the evening and overnight period. Here comes that next system. Again, much of that precipitation tracking along and north of the I-96 corridor will be a little bit warmer than we were this morning when that precip arrived, and that's why we're thinking that that one likely would be either mixed precipitation or a little bit of light rain, but much of the moisture will track to the north. By tomorrow evening, this is 6 o'clock, you can see some holes in the clouds starting to develop, and those will become more widespread overnight tomorrow night into early Tuesday. So we'll start the day Tuesday with some sunshine, a northerly wind, though, that is going to keep a lid on temps. Highs Tuesday only reaching the mid to upper 20s. By Wednesday, that next system will be arriving from the southwest, and that's going to produce another round of accumulating snow across the central and northern part of the state. And here across central and southern lower Michigan, the reason why we're not seeing as significant of snow totals is because we will have a period of mixed precipitation or a period of freezing rain in there. Upper 30s for highs today, low 40s tomorrow. So another round of temperatures that will be feeling balmy. Back to the sunshine and highs in the 20s on Tuesday. Wednesday, that wintry mix developing with a rain-snow combo, changing over to just some light rain on Thursday. We're back to some sunshine Friday with highs slipping back into the 20s. More light snow is on the way for next weekend. And by the way, here's a look at the 8 to 14-day temperature outlook. A lot of cold air across the central and western U.S., the warm air from the mid-Atlantic states down to the Gulf Coast, and here in West Michigan, temperatures near or a little above average through the second week of February.